Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add the buy now button on Shopify product page. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. After that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, so after that you want to click on apps and sales channels and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, so it's going to take you guys to your Shopify App Store. Now you just need to search here for buy now button, like okay, or buy button, okay? Just search here for buy button and you want to download this app, okay? It's completely free, you don't really have to pay for anything. As you can see here guys, it says here sell your products on any website or blog. Like you can like add a buy now, like you can add the buy button anywhere on your Shopify. You can add it, for example, on a new page, or you can add it on your product page. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this in a few seconds. Now you want to just click on install. Okay, so after guys you click on install, you can create a buy button for either a collection or products. Okay, click on create buy button and here you can either like what type of buy button would you like to create. If you want to create one for collection, you can do that. Just click here on collection. If you want to do that like for products, okay, you want like recommended for showing one product on blog, on page, or your Shopify website, you can just go with the first one. Now I'm going to click on collection. Okay, so I'm going to select this collection and I'm going to click on select. Okay guys, in the next page, as you can see guys, this is the collection. The collection contains 2 products, as you can see. Okay, so here it says here action when people click. So what action you want to make when people click? So I would like to direct them to checkout. Okay, whenever they click on buy now, it will just direct them to checkout so that they can enter their card information to purchase the product. Now if you click here on button style, you can just customize like button corners. As you can see, you can like change the size here. You can also change the background color. You can change it to like, I would say I'm going to change it to blue. Okay, so as you can see, like you can also change the buy text color. As you can see here, I've changed it, but I'm going to leave it white. Okay, so this is exactly how you can do this. Also, if you scroll down, you can also change the button text. You can also change the size of the button. As you can see, it's now smaller. I'm going to go back. Now if you scroll down, there are also some features or some options here. If you click here on advanced, if you click on layout, you can change the product title if you want. I'm going to change it to black. It looks way better. So I'm going to, for example, change the price color. I'm going to change it to blue. And here variant color, you can change it to whatever you want. Okay, so here the price, you can change the price text. For example, you can make it bigger if you want. Here you can change the size of the price if you want to make the price very clear. As you can see, obvious, as you can see, variant. Okay, you want to go back, and if you click here on advanced settings, as you can see here, you can like choose one of these. Like you can either, like if someone clicks on buy now, it will just redirect them in the same app, in the same tab, or it will open a pop-up window or a new tab. Now I'm going to select here on open a pop-up. Okay, after that you want to click on save in the top right. Okay, so here is the code that you need to copy. Okay, so you can paste this code anywhere on your products pages, or you can put this in a collection or whatever. I'm going to show you guys how you can put it anywhere. Now you want to go to your products. For example, let's start with how you can do this on your products. Okay, on the product page, click on products and here find which product you want to add this buy button. For example, I would like to add this buy button to this product. Okay, so in the description of the product, make sure you click on this show HTML here, as you can see. Okay, so after you click on show HTML, I'm just going to delete all these codes because I have added these codes recently. So I'm going to paste here the code here. Okay, like I said, make sure you click first on show HTML code and you want to then paste the code here. Like if you have found some code here, just below that you want to add the code. Okay, so you want to click on save. Now I'm going to click on view, okay, to see if there is a buy button on the product page. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see here, guys, I have added a buy button. As you can see, 2 products or a collection of products. As you can see, this is the first one and this is the second one, and it appears on the product page. And also people can choose like the different variants, as you can see here. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. Okay, it's very simple, very obvious. As you can see, it doesn't take time, and the app is free. Okay, so just drop a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.